Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate font management in Adobe Creative Cloud. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate font management in Adobe Creative Cloud, start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. Ensure you are logged into your Adobe account. Once logged in, look for the Fonts tab on the left side of the application. Click on the Fonts tab to access the font management features. Next, click on the Activate Fonts button to explore available fonts. Browse through the extensive library of fonts offered by Adobe Fonts. To activate a font, simply hover over it and click the Activate button that appears. You can activate multiple fonts at once by selecting them before clicking Activate. After activation, the fonts will sync with your Adobe Creative Cloud applications. To confirm that a font is activated, you can check the Active Fonts section within the Fonts tab. Now, open any Adobe Creative Cloud application, such as Photoshop or Illustrator. In the application, navigate to the Type tool for adding text. Open the Font drop-down menu to view all available fonts. Scroll through the list to find your newly activated fonts. Select the desired font to apply it to your text. If you want to deactivate a font later, return to the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. Go to the Fonts tab and click on the Active section. Locate the font you wish to deactivate and click the Deactivate button. This process will remove the font from your active list but keep it available for future use. With these steps, you can effectively manage and utilize fonts in Adobe Creative Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.